Hi beauties, thank you so much for joining me on my channel. If this is your first time, make sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure to like this video. If this is not your first time, make sure to welcome to the channel, welcome back if this is not your first time. So if you want to, I did a video of this look. The link is in the description box. I also did a tutorial where I showed you guys how I fix my bottom lashes. Link is also in the description box, and you'll see a card just above here, so you can go watch the videos that I just mentioned. So just click the card and it will take you to the video. Okay, so basically this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I fix my lashes, like easy peasy, like sharp. So if you want to find out how I fix my lashes, then definitely keep on watching. I'll see you guys in a bit. So to fix your lashes, these are the items that you're going to be needing. Actually, one more. These are the items you're going to be needing whenever you want to do your lashes. So the first thing I like to do is curl my lashes downwards, and this trick is going to save your life, like save you all the stress. So what I do is, ideally you hold your mascara coiler this way to coil it, but when you do it the other way, you actually straighten it down. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll go and gather the lashes and then just pull it down like so, like this. Hold it down for some minutes. So yeah, one more thing you're going to be needing, an eyeliner. So depending if you're doing a winged or not, I like to use a liner. So this serves as a balm. Next step, I like to apply some mascara. Once you've identified the lashes you'll be using, I like to coil it this way just so it's curved, and I'll be using this Lash glue. I like this Lash glue because it's the best that I've used so far. It doesn't irritate the eye, and then it makes your lashes stay put, like, you won't believe. So once you've done that, you just keep it down for it to become to get tacky a little bit, and to get tacky before you apply it onto your. So when you're applying it, I like to apply more at the beginning and at the center, because that's where it really is gonna hold. So you hold it at the center like so, and when you're fixing it, you put it like this, not like this, because you end up struggling. So because your lashes are already like up, so it's easier for you to just place, and then you can just press it together with your lashes. So you can see how I'm holding it. I'll then put it on the center of my lid here. Can you see? Then hold the end. Like so. Hold the beginning and put it where I want it to be. Once I've done that, I like to leave it to dry onto my lid for a little bit before pressing it together. Next, I press it together. And that's it, guys. Basically, that's it. And you can see that it stayed put. It's neat, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. If you're also new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe before leaving. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.